Restart Stark is our community's go-to site related to the COVID-19 pandemic. From the outset, it was meant to be an authoritative site for all information and to be really convenient for the users. Businesses, schools, nonprofits, sports teams all benefited from the one-stop site for the most up-to-date information on Stark County's response. I think our businesses particularly benefited and appreciated the fact that local government was working together and making it easy for them to keep their doors open. They didn't have to navigate the pandemic on their own, and the resources of Restart Stark were always at their fingertips.
This is Paul DePasqua, Director of Environmental Health with the Stark County Health Department. And originally the need was generated out of the demand. So we had over 250 or 2,500 complaints, over 700 questions in the end that we had to manage, and there was a large response for like a lot of questions like how should we do this, how should we operate our business during a pandemic. So we needed a platform that would be able to handle those types of questions and complaints. We needed also a platform to handle the educational material that was changing almost daily. And so we needed to get that information out to the businesses, services, and the general public. And we needed a one-stop shop, a one place to do this.
I'm Courtney Myers, Stark County Health Department. You know, so much of the pandemic response was on the local level, and for us to be able to communicate directly to our businesses was really important. While there was a lot of information on the national scene and on the state scene, people really need to know what we were doing here in Stark County. And so Restart Stark was really a way for us to communicate efficiently with our community members. Working with GIS has always been fabulous. We've had a great relationship with them through the years. They're really responsive to our needs and our ever-changing needs that we had through the pandemic. Our website and the portal went through several different changes throughout the response to the global pandemic, and they were able to make those changes for us literally overnight, so that we are able to keep up to date with the information that we get out and respond to those questions so that we could give direct responses to all those questions and complaints that we've been seeing through the portal.
It's just invaluable. I mean, when you have something like a pandemic happen, the needs are so immense that you just can't rely on one organization like the health department. So to have partners like County GIS and County IT to help build solutions to help respond to this pandemic was just, I mean, we couldn't have done it without them.
Stark County GIS has spent the past decade educating and training the importance of location within local government. While we weren't necessarily preparing for a pandemic, we were creating a more versatile and capable workforce by equipping many county and even city agencies with the tools necessary to respond to the unexpected. In this particular situation, we worked with Stark County's 4 health departments to provide the public with a single point of entry, one place to communicate any comments or critiques they might have. And by leveraging location, any request from the public we provided, that was sent to the appropriate agency without any additional oversight from staff, which actually allowed all the health departments and their staff to focus on addressing the actual concern rather than redirecting it and possibly losing something in between agencies. So, in the end, GIS did what it was supposed to do and, answered the challenge that was presented with us.